In this video, we will be adding a new task. Tasks are located under our test subdomain, which is called XML compression. So tasks, basically, let's add a new task. So right click on tasks and add new task. So we have our options here. Title, description, and type basically are shared between all of the tasks. But dataset file URL and mode comes from our input parameters. If you remember, we had input parameters now under our service schema. We provided two parameters. One was dataset file URL and the other was mode. So we have to specify a name for our task. I'm putting name like task for gzip. The description is not mandatory. A task can be private or public. If it's private, you can basically see this task because you are created and you will be using it, and it won't be shared between other users of Liquid Benchmark. So we are logged in as Liquid user, as you can see here. So if we choose this to be private, it will be only used by Liquid user. If I change it to public, all of the users in the system will have access to this task and they can basically run some experiments using this task. So I'm choosing to be private. Dataset file URL, this is my dataset file URL. So this is a dataset file saved on Amazon S3 service. So and this is the URL for that, and the mode would be C, which is compression, and hit on save. So we have our task added the test task for gzip. We can check the properties and we see all of the parameters basically we provided. We can change it if it's required.